चलने से शुरू कर दिए। Not bad. Baroda madam, welcome. Ami madam, welcome. Welcome, madam. Earphones कहाँ हैं? Good morning, Professor. Can you hear me? Am I audible? তুমি কেন হাঁটছো পেছন দিয়ে? ক্যামেরা চলছে। কোনো কাজ না থাকলে Can you hear me, Professor Zhu? Sir?
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Okay, good.
Sir, we'll start sharp at 6. That is 10 minutes later.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So do you mean all the audience are mainly undergraduate students?
Yes, sir. Of computer science engineering and Bachelor of Computer Education.
That's grade, from which grade? From grade 1, year 1 or year 3?
Sir, different years actually.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I tried my best.
It will be very good for them, sir.
It's a little hard for the first year students, because there are many terms may not be known by them. So maybe just to give them an impression, there is a research field like that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I had some experience. If I talk with first year or second year students, they say they do not understand. They do not understand. Congratulations for your new university establishment.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Just opened this Monday or last Friday?
No, sir. It was we had our first foundation day. That was 1 year of completion on
Oh yeah.
last week. Last week, sir. It was it became it was made into university last year, sir, in 2019.
So it's a government sponsored or a private university?
No, it's a private university, sir.
Or private?
Yes, sir.
Sponsored by special funding resource, right?
Yes, sir.
So what's about the Indian education system? Mainly the university are private, like America, or mainly by government, like Canada?
No, sir. The majority of the universities are private, and there are also we also have government-funded universities, but majority of the universities are private.
Oh, okay.
We have sir, federal government-funded universities and state government-funded universities, and then there are private universities.
Got it.
How is the coronavirus situation there, sir?
In my city, it's okay. So it's a total number is 40. It's no increase. But recently in Toronto, in the whole Ontario, it's still some increase. Yeah.
Okay.
I know it's in India. It's become worse, right?
Yes, sir. I think
So,
it's because of the large population density that we have.
yeah.
Yes, sir. It's a little difficult to control. Yeah.
So are you working as a staff in the university, in the department, or in this?
Yes, sir. I'm working in the mechanical engineering department of the university.
So you made the professor invited me. He is the dean or he's a chair?
The Dr. Prasun Chakravarti.
Yeah.
Dr. Prasun Chakravarti, actually, he's associated with us. He was previously working with us as the Dean of R&D, Research and Development. Now he has moved on to another university, but he is still associated with us, and he's helping us with these lectures and foreign collaborations. And,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Yeah. If some student, you can tell the students if they have questions, they can put right in the chatting.
Yes,
in the
surely,
part.
sir. Surely,
Yeah.
sir. That's what we normally do, sir. At the end of the lecture, we ask them whether they have any questions, or even during the lectures, they might put questions in the chat box, and the speaker answers them at the end of the lecture. That is not what normally we do.
So yeah, the total time is for an hour, right?
So actually, what we